Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy data on Lyca Mobile quickly and easily. First, open any browser and search for Lyca Mobile Buy Data. Make sure to include your country name in the search. Then, click on the official Lyca Mobile website for your region. Once you're on the site, browse through the available data plans. For example, you might see 80 GB for $10. Just click Buy Now to continue. Next, enter your Lyca mobile number and select whether you're using a SIM card or an eSIM. You can also explore extras or top-up options if you'd like to add more data. Then click Checkout at the bottom of the page. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Review your plan details and confirm your payment. Once your purchase is complete, your data will be added to your Lyca mobile account automatically, ready to use right away. And that's it. That's how you can buy data on Lyca Mobile in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.